For my fourth entry, I have again chosen to study China. In this entry, however, I will be looking at problems within the populations near the Yangtze River Basin. According to the IPCC Freshwater Resources article we were given, analyzing the decrease in sediment load of the Yangtze River over 1956 to 2002 found that climate change was responsible for an increase of about 1 to 5%. Most of the decline in its lower region was due to dam construction in the Three Gorges Dam and soil conservation measures. Furthermore, flood discharges in the lower Yangtze Basin increased over the last 40 years. Essentially, the construction of the Three Gorges Dam along with climate change is causing an increase in sediment load within the Yangtze River. The increased amount of sediment is affecting river life, as well as causing additional flooding to nearby communities. The higher sediment load has buried habitats in the Yangtze River and is causing wildlife to struggle, such as the Chinese river dolphin, whose only natural habitat is the Yangtze River. In addition to this, the dumping of pollution into the river, along with the dam construction, is causing acid rain and floods that can poison anything they touch. This has caused much hardship for farmers near the river basin. It is expected that these trends will only continue if efforts are not made to fix the problem. The Chinese government has made efforts to preserve some of the wildlife in the Yangtze River, but no laws on pollution have been put into place. This continued pollution will continue to endanger river life as well as the local villages around the area. The only way to really put an end to this problem is to completely stop all pollution into the Yangtze River and possibly get rid of the Three Gorges Dam. The dam is causing a majority of the sediment increase in flooding, and if these impacts continue to displace people, as well as push species nearer to extinction, it may be a good consideration to get rid of this infrastructure and create renewable energy elsewhere.